Hey guys, my name is Miss Webb and welcome to Working It with Miss Webb. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm very excited to be here. I am a first grade teacher here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So the goal of this YouTube channel, guys, is to help not only my students who are distant learners right now due to the outbreak of the coronavirus. We are not in school. Schools are closed. So I'm making this YouTube channel to help them and any other parent, student that may be a kindergartner, first grader, or second grader. Okay? So currently in our grade level, we are learning how to build tens and ones, which are called two-digit numbers. We're also learning how to add and subtract two-digit numbers. Okay? So in order for you to know how to add or subtract a two-digit number, you first must know how to build a two-digit number. All right, so this is a tool that I love to give my students. They love it. And one of my favorite tricks that I've learned over the years of teaching, I do not laminate things anymore. I put them in sleeve protectors. So you can easily change them out. You use less, and these erase so much better than when you laminate anything. I promise you. I don't know what it is about laminating sheets, but they are terrible to erase. I don't understand. And you can buy the good brands, and they're still not good to erase. Either way, let's get back to it. So this is a tens and ones chart. So I'm going to write a two-digit number right here. So let's just use the number 73. Okay? So this is our tens place and this is our ones place. I love to write it at the top so that they can see tens, ones. That's a great visual for students. Okay? So we like to use quick tens and quick ones. A quick 10 is just a simple line. Okay? And a quick one is just a circle. So we're going to build the number 73 using quick tens and quick ones. So let's start from the beginning, okay? Not doing me any justification with the erasing thing, is it? All right. So tens and ones. Let's build our tens first. So we have 7 tens. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's build our ones. 1, 2, 3. Let's count to see if we have the number 73. I'm going to count by tens and ones. So if you guys are watching at home, if you want to count with me, let's get it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. All right, did we build the number 73? I think we did. Let's try another two-digit number. Let's clear this off. And I had some tissue down here. Maybe that'll be better than my hands. I'm just a country girl. Forgive me. All right, so let's try the number, let's see, 26. All right, so we have 2 tens in our tens place. We have 6 ones in our ones place. All right, so let's get it. We need how many tens? 2. So 1, 2. How many ones do we need? 6. Let's count 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here's a little trick that I like to teach my students. Whenever I'm using circles at all, I love to always line them up by sets of 5. So it's easy for them to count. So they should already know 5, 6. Simple. And it's really easy. Less counting, less work. We're all about work less, play hard. Okay? So the number 26. Let's count by tens and ones and see if we did it. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Do we have 26? Yes, we do. We're going to do one more number. And let's make this one a big number. Let's build the number 99. All right, so we have 9 tens and 9 ones. Are you guys ready? Let's build it. So we need 9 tens. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we need 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now let's count by tens and ones to see if we built the right number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Does our chart match our number? It does. Good job, guys. Tune in to my next video. We're going to add 10 more, and we're going to take away 10.